The new MAB-100 K lightweight magnetic drilling machine, now with keyless drill chuck. The lightweight machine is easy to operate in vertical, overhead, or horizontal drilling situations. .30mm diameter and 55mm cutting depth core drilling capacity. MAB-100 K is ideal to use with the new specially developed BDS twist drills with weld-in shank. Simply better drilling. Keyless drill chuck, just 9.9 kilograms. Complete internal cabling, lightweight machine. Attached coolant tank. Internal lubrication. The all-new MAB-100 K lightweight compact magnetic drilling machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.